coverage yet. Let's see if we can make this a little easier for you. I'm going to do this as quick as possible to keep the video small. We go into lasso. We're going to do the magnetic one, and we're going to drag along the edge here just to define the subject. I'm using a mouse. Has a little problem down there because it's just black. We're going to go like that, and that's plenty. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pick a color, something medium gray. Let me drag this in so you can see it. Probably there. If you want to make it a little warmer, you can just warm it up just a touch. And then I'm going to take a brush. Alright, I've got this big brush. See how big it is? I've got it down to 24. Let's even shrink it just a little bit, about like so. Oops. We're going to undo that. And I'm going to do a select inverse, which now selects the background instead of the child. And just shooting it. See it glowing back there? Not too much. You don't want to overdo it. And then when I deselect that, you can now see that she has a backlight. So instead of deselecting, I'm going to keep it selected. Let's even warm it up just a touch more. Let's try there. Let's take the brush again. A little bit of warmth in it. That's good. And then I'm going to do a select, and I'm going to invert back. So now the baby's selected. And just using burn tool real quick. I mean, I did more than this in the other one, but just to bring down her density a little bit. And she has some shiny spots on her, so I'm going to grab the clone tool and then get rid of that hot spot. She's also blown out here on the cheek, so I'll grab an area up here and just spot that in a little bit, just to get rid of the blown out skin. And then for color, she's quite pink, so I'm going to go up to selective color, red, and it helps if we watch it. I'm going to pull some magenta out of there, maybe add a little yellow, which is what I'm doing down here. Could even add some red if we want. No, she's a little, I wouldn't go with the red. Let's do that, and then do image, adjust levels, push her down a little bit, a little darker again, shrink it down, and for the crop, we're going to do it so that she's a little bit left in the frame. On the other one, I actually added a little more space over here, but that pretty much shows you what I did. And if we wanted, we could dodge the eyes just a touch. So anyway, I mainly wanted to show you how I lighten the background, since you had said you had a hard time with that.